today. Yes, I am live. We are live at the moment. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, your time, depending on where you're watching from. This live broadcast is not going to take much time. So, as you join in, please click on the like button. Let's do this together because we are going to come back again also later in the day. At the best, I see your comment. You are one of the early commentators. How are you today? Yes, I'm going to go straight to the program. We are not going to waste much time. This is the first broadcast that we are going to do today. So if you are watching from Facebook, don't forget to hit like button as well. Share this video to other group so that people will also see it. Okay, put the video to go to other people for them to see the video. And if you have not followed me on Facebook, please do so. If you are not subscribed on YouTube, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You should support by following and like and share the video. It's very important. So Biafracoin is trending with speed, trending with speed. Good morning to you, Diana. Good morning to you. How are you today? So Biafracoin is trending, and people who vow not to comment on Biafran comment in exile are now saying something about it, which is interesting, and that is the reason why I want to share this with us. If you have listened to my program previously, you understand that I have made a comment about the silence of Sarah reporter, how they choose not to comment or say anything about the government in exile. But whenever DOS or people from other side, have any press release, they will quickly spread it and share it, across. But Biafran government have make it to their own to the platform of Sahara reporters this time around because they can't hide it anymore. They have no choice than to aid in their platform. So we are going to look into that as well. We're going to look into that. Um, like I said, we are not going to waste much time in this broadcast. It's not it will not be like our normal broadcast that we spend a long time. So hopefully we can cover what we are to cover here. If not, we may extend the time. We never can tell. So let's go there. Let's go there. Let me bring it up for you. Um, okay, before then, there's something I wanted to share with us yesterday, right? Before I noticed that a PM was online, then I have to quickly end the program. That was a comment from China Saworu, okay, and I would like to share it with us. Let me. I don't know why my system is still sleeping at this time of the day. Okay, let me see. Guys, if you can hear me, please let me know so that it will not be as if I'm talking to myself. I don't see anybody, only comment from Diana and no other comment yet. So, Diana, if you are still here, please confirm that my voice is coming out, please. I would like to be sure so that I will not, talk to myself. It doesn't make sense. Okay. Like I said, Biafracoin it has a lot of platform are saying even okay, your voice is good. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you, I really appreciate. Thank you. So a lot of media platform, is they are talking about different coin, a Gemini. So, but the one that I feel like is worth sharing is the one from Sarah Reporter because they don't want to talk about different government in Israel for a very long time. For a very, very long time. They don't want to talk about it. They always pretend that they don't see what Simon Ekpa is doing or different government are doing. Even when Vanguard says something about it, they will pretend that they don't see anything. They will pretend they don't see anything. So that is why when I see them talking about it now, I say, wow, let's bring it up. But I'm trying to bring the video, or not video, audio of Tina Saworu that I wanted to share with us yesterday before we cut off because PM was online, so I have no choice than to just end the program. So, which I'm trying to refresh my system. That's why just bear with me. Just bear with me. Let me refresh it because he's he's still sleeping. I think it's called Kobutin. If I'm not, I think it's having Kobutin because I am not on it for the day. This is the first time. Sometimes it will take time to. But I have a lot of files here. I have a lot of files here. Um, Let me take this out. Many people who think that Biafran government in exile are just joking, they are jokers according to them, and nothing good come from them. Nothing good will come out from whatever they're doing. They are now saying that look, these guys mean business. I just feel like sharing it with us because you cannot pretend that you don't see what everybody is seeing. You cannot pretend that. You cannot pretend that. And even if you do, you are doing that of jealousy or envy. That is just it. That's just it. Okay. When PM said that I will be your end, when he said that, they think that he don't mean it. He just trying to run his mouth. But today, they have seen that it's not that thing that he said. He really mean business, and is they are not finding it funny. They are not finding it funny. Oh my goodness! One of them that went to court, someone who went. I don't want to be calling him in this live broadcast. Okay, he he made a video after saying what he said there. Now he's out again because he can't bear it anymore. It is true that most of them want. There's two things. In fact, they want two things from Mazen Namorikan at the moment. One is to talk about PM in a negative way. Another thing is to validate them that they are still important and people should still listen to them. But these two things are not coming. They are not receiving it yet. So it's a very very big. It's showing that in fact it's a call for them to concern because you were hoping to have their friends listening to you and all that, and they have damaged that trust. Now they want to validate that trust again from MNK. But Mazam Beganu is not that kind of person that will just validate you because you want. No. They have abused the chance, all the chance and time they had. They have misused it, and that I don't think it is going to be this as business as business as usual. I don't think so. I really doubt. To be honest, with you. To be honest, I really doubt. It's not going to be the same thing anymore. It's not going to be the same thing. If Mazakan had said that thing that they wanted him to say, by now, wow. You see that we told you that this Ekodema. Now they have one of them have nicknamed Tompolo, trying to give Tompolo, also calling him Ekberema. I'm not a supporter of Tompolo, but you it is funny when you want to use Ekberema on people's name because you think you can you think that you have the right to do whatever you want to do, to say whatever you want to say, and nobody question you. That is madness, to be honest with you. That is a sign of insanity. You cannot. We all know what Sampolo wants. He's not a freedom fighter. He's people who want to grab it and run with it, like the current president said. Grab it, run with it, and take it. Do everything you can to take it. That's what they're doing. And Tompolo is doing exactly the same thing. Making money from the so-called Nigerian oil, which is what the soldier they buy in Delta State went there to do. It's all about oil, nothing more. Oil. Oh my goodness, I have a very. What am I going to do now? Guys, I am going to end this program. I have an emergency call. Okay. What will happen? I will. Sorry to make you wait. Okay, let me see. Don't change. On the way. Okay, bad day for me. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Not. No. Okay. I still have time. I still have time. I still have time. I thought it. So let's continue. Let's continue. So from my end here, people. I know many people will be surprised that that I'm online by this time. Normally, I don't come online by this time. Okay, I think we are good to go. We're good to go. Now, this is the video that I wanted to share with us. Not about the Sinas Award. This is about Sahara Reporter. Okay, doing what they have not done before. Simon Ekpa, Biafran government in exile, launch Biafracoin. Okay, website Enugu government crackdown on crypto platforms. This is what they said, and I know how hard it is for them to come up with this information because they have tried so hard not to talk about Biafran government in exile. Tried so hard. I don't know why. I don't know why it's like that. I don't know. I cannot tell the reason why Shore and his colleague are doing the same thing. They don't want to, say anything reasonable or good about PM or Biafran government in exile for no just reason. Now, like I said, it's trending. A lot of news media have it. Look at this one also. This is a Daily Post. Nigerian have the news as well. The same thing. This is what the people from the other camp are preaching and telling people. Oh, he's a fraud. Oh, don't put your money there. Oh, he's want to scam. Oh, he's Nigerian. He's DSS Nigerian agent that is building something that Nigerian don't want anybody to have. Now here is this one cannot bear it anymore. He said, folks, this is a scam, this is a scam, this is a scam. Can you just read that? He repeated it multiple times because that is how painful this coin hit this guy so bad. Hey, Jeff, Naka, this is what he, look at it. Avoid them. Do you understand? And the same guy who said avoid them, let me open this and see if he has other things to say there. Don't say I was not told. You see the description? They want to do everything to. In fact, if this guy have power to buy anybody who supports this coin or who want to invest on Biafran coin, He will do that. You can see the pain. You can see the pain in this guy. Oh my goodness. People, Igbo. Oh my goodness. It is very, very sad anyway. Look at another news platform that have it also. Look at it here. Even this one is Ruben Abati. Let me open it properly so you see. Look at it. Ruben Abati. The guy that I was thinking that he's the owner of Arise. One of the one our Biafran brother, put made that correction. I think that was last week when I was trying to analyze what I'm saying in the Arise. I said that that he is the owner of Arise. I don't know that he's not. He's not. Actually, the station is being owned by an Igbo man. Wow, I was surprised. That's okay. I was thinking that is Ruben Abati. Now we are moving from there. This is what the Biafran Division Army Commander Ross have to say. Today, I have successfully installed all my networks around the zoo. No zoo animals will escape it. I have been traveling, getting the vaccine that will buy the zoo. Burning down the zoo is fast approaching, and no zoo animal will escape it. They don't know who is here in the person of Royce. Okay, that is from Biafran Commander, one of the top commander in Biafran Liberation Army. This God have mercy. Please, guys, we are 34 watching and only one person managed to like the stream. On I'm 36. Just click on the like button so that the video will get other people to join us as we are live. Okay. No, I will release this audio for you to listen. I will not share. I will not listen to it alone. Let's hear him. Let's hear him.
IPOB is out for freedom of our people. POB the kingdom of an Igbo. IPOB is out for freedom of our people. And they work on Lucha. They work on Lucha. They can't have it to swallow. They can't swallow him. What is that? Not to swallow an Igbo. In the Finland, they got to swallow an Igbo. And you only judge to Simon Ebalali. What is this going on?
Okay, this video is the one that he did before when he was trying to deliver that audio message from MNK to everybody. MNK sent message to everybody, including politicians, governors, traditional rulers, traditional what do they call it? Traditional title holders, even everybody. Everybody will have received message, automatic message from Martin Monaghan, including some clergies. They claim they received. And when they tried many people, and these guys have no choice than to register his name as well. Okroji Maker said exactly. Then Benson, I see you, they are boiling. Now listen, my dear.
And some of you, I don't have you with honor. I don't have you with honor. You know never be here to listen. All the judges don't jump. They are abomination.
You know what?
They cry out that committee that you will be taking that place. I want you to go here. All that's some honor. And everybody, all of you should stop using his name. If you want to do your own thing, commit the crime on your own. Stop using his name to do it. Stop it. Stop it. I want this nonsense on the Bible to write the name. Abubakar Malami form one group are not. Putra, announce our bounty.
Henry Peters, I see you.
Long back concluded that
Ibezim
plan.
Kelechi, I see you.
That was when they concluded that plan to arrest him in Kenya. To kidnap him, not to arrest, to kidnap him.
Henry Peters, who is this again? You don't know this person? Okay. Well. Anyway, let's move to another colleague of some people of the same character. Now let's hear. The song is not allowed here, please. This is Ijed in the court. In fact, I will look for a video where this guy was. He made that video just few days. Is it days or even hours? That where he was talking nonsense about Mazen Magano. This life. He did not know that his own time is very fast. I don't know who is behind his arrest. Some people say that it's not. It has nothing to do with his own ministry. Some people say that it does. Some people say it's from somebody they called Governor Eziokwu, who happened to be a Zion member. A lot of information from different, but arrest is there. Is the only person that the Nigerian government, Nigerian police arrest, that everybody that united his arrest unite everybody. DOS, non-DOS, Biafran government in inside, real Biafrans, like I used to call them, one Nigerianist, traditionalist, people from Christianity, everybody. This guy arrested is just like a unification of every group. I have not seen a single person, whether on social media, Facebook, anywhere. I've not seen anybody that says that have made a video and say, "Well, let us fight for his release. Let us help him." Why? Who did this to him? As everyone have different opinion about each other, but this guy, everybody agreed. In fact, some people are even saying that they want to know the person, not to beg the person, but to finance his arrest. So even if they want to release him, people are ready to put money to detain him the more because of what he have done, what he have committed. Imagine somebody who made himself enemy of everybody, and he think that what will save him is as long as he's in good time with Nigerian government and all that. He forgot that Nigerian government is not that kind of government that we honor you for being a patriotic citizen or for being in love with them or that. No, they can only do this business with you, and if anything happens to you, they will just come back. So that is it. Like I said, it's quite funny, and everybody is happy with the arrest. Everybody is happy with, and you cannot blame anybody for that. Imagine somebody like Ijere, he on his video and start talking nonsense about Mazen American, wishing him that he buy. Oh my goodness, this guy. Now this is what they say that I don't know how true this is, but because it's not from this man's Twitter. He said that Mazen American is the reason Nigeria has not been Islamized yet. Yet he is more than just an Igbo. Igbo man, TY, that is TY Danjuma. I don't know if actually he said something like that or is not. So let me go back to PM Post. I will show you what I want to show you from PM Post. Let me go back to. Yesterday, I told us about the newspaper, mainstream media or news platform in Finland that published PM's pictures in the front news. Not only one, not two, not three, a lot of national newspapers headline front page in Finland have carried the information about Biafracoin and Biafran news in details. Something that a PM promised us that it should happen very soon. We did not know that it will be as soon as possible. Look at it. Just imagine. Can how many newspaper here? All these you're seeing here are reporting about Biafran government minister, Biafran prime minister, and when you go through them, you will see more because the one I read from a chief of staff, Ngos Orabeze, yesterday, I find out that there were not that they report something negative. What they said there is actually, a good thing to hear. It's very, very nice to hear that. Biafra is here, and that is how we are going to celebrate, to rejoice. Okay. Wow. Photo of Biafran resistance fighters of the day, the 2nd of okay, the sound of freedom. Now let me show you the picture. I did not see the picture yesterday. Very true. Nigeria politicians know what is coming to them. Thank you. That's Diana. But the evil ones must not go unpunished. Ijere arrest sweet pass. Yes, so everybody. I don't know who advised him. I don't know how he got his who is behind his decision. How can you choose to fight everybody at a go? Everybody even in the court yesterday, his lawyer was hiding. His lawyer abandoned him because he was thinking that his lawyer would just go there and do this and do that. No, maybe he have also provoked his lawyer. Okay, photo of the Biafran resistance fighter of the day. That was yesterday. The sound of freedom, the look of freedom, the sacrifice we make for freedom, the defense of our land, women and children. These men are the reason no terrorist attack has been recorded in Biafra land. If you put body, they will give it to you. Woto. That is what PM said. And this is a picture. This is a picture. This is a picture. Okay. So don't get it twisted. They know what they're doing, and actually, I am proud of our people, because if not, a lot will have happened to us. Because the Igbo land, different land, is #1 target. The attack you are seeing in Benue and other part of Nigeria is just a little. It's just like, should I say, the lower version of it, of what they want to have, what they want to be doing in Southeast, in Igbo land. So they just want to test little part of what they can show to the Southeasterners, Igbos, because many Southeast is not only the Igbo people, so that's a part of it as well. So let me make that clear. Let me show you this. I don't know. This is not the way.
In this state is under assault. There's an attempt at ethnic cleansing in this state.
That is CY Danjuma when he was shouting and calling Nigerians to wake up. But after saying those things, everybody turned deaf ear. Nobody take it serious, and this is what it has resulted to. This is what it has resulted to. So guys, like I've said, we're not going to spend long time here in this live broadcast. Okay. We are going to be live again, our normal broadcast, later in the day. Thank you all for your time. Thank you for your presence. We are going to be live again. Have a wonderful day ahead. Enjoy your evening, enjoy your morning, enjoy your afternoon, depending on where you're watching from. See you again later. Thank you. Please, before you go, don't forget to click on the like button. Okay? I just want to bring this update to you this early hour. So when we are live later, we are not going to repeat all those words again because a lot is coming out and I don't want to miss out at all. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye bye for now.